Yo, what is up, squad? I'm going out to the Thursday night bike night tonight. Sorry, I've been pretty busy lately. I haven't got around to... Oh, God, sorry, I'm a little sick. I haven't got around to making a moto vlog in a while, but I'm going out to Thursday bike night. God, the Thursday bike night to meet up with some people and have a little ride. It's the usual. Hope nothing happens crazy tonight. Hope no one crashes. That's the usual deal with us, it seems. Oh God, my voice keeps screwing up and cracking. Oh yeah, anyways, trying to get my motovlogging hat on. I'm heading down to this bike night here on my R6. Nothing special going on. I think they're gonna get food afterwards, but I don't know, but depends if I may or may not be hungry. Oh, and talking, God, it makes my throat scratchy. Ugh. My girlfriend got me sick. I'm not that sick though, just enough to kind of like be annoyed. But yeah, it should be a fun time. Tune in. Let's try it. There we go. So I had to get a little wheelie in. Oh yeah, I took my turn signals off to make more room for, like, kind of God, I took off my turn signals to make more room for my clutch and brake lever because I put on a new throttle, not throttle. That's diesel. No, it's not diesel.
Do you know a bike mechanic around here?
Just like the big name shops like Team Power Sports, Motomax. Capital Power Sports, just places like that. There's some other local ones, but I'd have to look online. I don't remember my names.
Gas Station TV. Enjoy a new
Gas Station TV.
Every time you bump. Connect with us on Facebook and Twitter.
I totally forgot what I was saying now. Oh yeah. God, I'm so annoying. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if you made it this far in the video and for some reason you're still watching. I gotta figure out what my shit vibrates at like 9 or 10,000 RPM. So I've been told it's most likely the engine mounts or something with the front steering or steering bolt, something like that. But like when I hit 9, 10,000, it vibrates a lot in the front of my seat. Then kind of goes away in the upper range, and I don't feel it in the lower range. And the handlebars vibrate a little bit, but that's always been normal, I think. Probably just an old bike. Stuff needs to be updated. But I am a little worried about that vibration in the top end, because I never did that before I did this conversion. So yeah, I'm not sure. I gotta look over some stuff. Just haven't got around to it. So yeah, please don't let the engine fall out of me, baby. Just let the engine stay in place. I keep smacking your ass and your engine falling out. God damn it. Hello, who's this? Oh, is it Drew? Yeah, I'm here. I'm on Glenwood. I'm coming up to there. I should be there probably in 5 minutes. I don't know how much farther up Glenwood it is. Alright, Mayan. See ya. Okay, I was closer than I thought.
Wondering where you were too.
Like when you say you're on Glenwood, it's like Glenwood. You can go this way on Glenwood for like a really long time.
Well, like, I didn't know where I was at in Glenwood. So here we go, guys. We got quite a variety of bikes. No idea where we're going, but I got a couple of my buddies here, so this should be fun. Group, so we can't haul ass. Well, that didn't go anywhere. I said, well, that didn't go anywhere.
Yeah, I know, right? I'm just trying to go for a ride.
Yeah. we go. Okay, okay. Okay, that wasn't bad. I had to do one good one. Oh my god, my bike's vibrating like a motherfucker. I saw them. There were a couple car lengths back, I think. I got one. I don't know where the other guy is. I don't know where the CVR is. I swear to God, if something happened again, I'm never riding with you guys. Like, it might hear you right now, but I don't know. I'm kind of doubt it. Thanks. That was really loud. Okay, let me explain, guys. So anyways, what happens is we just left here from the meeting spot. It was just around the corner, so nothing really happened. And we head up on our own thing, and we lost this guy's friend. He probably just took the wrong exit or something. We're trying to figure it out. No idea.
I don't know if he could take the wrong exit, though.
Well, there was that first exit to the right. If he kept going straight and he didn't see us because of cars. That's what I thought, maybe. Hey, there we go. Now we got him. Finally made his way back over here. I don't know where he went, but at least we got him. Nobody crashed. That was my fear. I like these rides a little bit better, like little ones with groups of friends, because it's not like careless, but it's a little bit more controlled chaos, a little bit more fun. Okay guys, so now it is nighttime. We're gonna do a little loop around Falls Lake. Matt and I decided to switch bikes, I guess. You look very tall on my R6. I'm really sunken into this bike. So this is my first time on a, what is it called again? 650? 750? SFV 650. It's like an SV 650, okay. Well, this is my first time with something like this. Never ridden, actually any Suzuki, I don't think. Oh, I just adjusted the clutch, so hopefully it's fine. You look like way oversized for that bike with all your gear. Oh, this feels so weird. It's like my Grom, but bigger. It sits very upright. You're gonna hate that bike by the end of the night. You're like, fuck this piece of shit. It's so uncomfortable. Oh man, this thing is so much more comfortable than my bike. Okay guys, I can't wheelie it. He said I'm not allowed to wheelie it, so I'm gonna abide by his terms so I can ride his bike. God damn, my bike is loud. Yeah. Just remember, you're riding a setup stunt bike, so all this stuff is done specifically in a way. Wait, I can show the camera the bike. What were you saying? Let's see. Oh, dude, your bike goes. Okay, got the little pole there. Pulls all through the revs just fine. I mean, it still sounds pretty good with the baffle in. You gotta have that thing. Oh, he's coming on your right. Yeah, I fucking heard them in your speakers. They sounded like a goddamn Star Wars ship. We're doing 95. Yeah. 100 miles an hour. Okay, I do like mine more. The sound and the RPMs as you go through it is just so much more addictive. I'm telling you, you gotta get all the way up to like 15. Okay, I might not have a clutch anymore. I am serious about that. Okay, I don't know what's can happen when I kick this in gear. The bolt down here has come really loose. Oh, fuck. Well, my bike just, yeah. Ah. Motherfucker. The bolt is loose on the bottom. Well, that's your problem. I can fix it. I don't want to get pulled over, but it's so tempting. Wait, what's the quick gear am I in? Let's see, 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd. Fuck it. Didn't have to. Okay, Mustang. I will in a second. Woo! That felt good. I'm looking around. I don't see any cops. And he's hauling. He got behind me, he wants to go. Where's he at? Huh? Oh, he was? I didn't know who. I heard him say, "Hey, your mic." Oh, cop left. I got so lucky on that one. I don't know. Is he trying to get us to like follow him or something? That felt good. It's been a while since I've ran my bike hard like that.